Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with close-up coins, a new game on the channel which is definitely keeping people entertained. So if you are new to the channel, you are going to see 7 different pictures of close-up coins, pictures that have been zoomed in, and you will only see a small segment of it. Your job then is to try and guess what coin it is. We have been doing 5 different coins, all 50p's. This time we are mixing it up. I am making it more difficult. Everyone was far too good on the previous one. So I've mixed the coins up. It could be any coin from UK circulation, and there are going to be 7 to guess. We're going to quickly go through all 7. I'll stop talking, let everybody concentrate. I'm sure it isn't very easy to guess these with me muttering on in the background. So you're going to see all 7, about 10 seconds of each to start with, and then after I've stopped talking, they'll appear on the screen for about 20 seconds each, but there is a bit of a loop going on, so you can go back to them. Whilst it's going round, feel free to comment what 7 you think they are in the comment section below. There are going to be 2 prizes up for grabs for the 2 people that manage to get the most correctly. Number 7 is definitely a difficult one. Well, a lot of them are, and they are going to take a little bit of thinking. You will have until midnight on Saturday to put those guesses in that comment section below. And again, on Sunday, we're going to have another amazing giveaway day. This Sunday, yesterday went really well. We got some different winners on the channel. It was really fun, and I really do hope that everybody enjoyed it. Again, this Sunday, we'll have the top commenter of the week prize draw. We'll get the winner here from Close Up Coins, and we'll also get the winner from the new collectors giveaway as well. You never know, there might be another one added before the end of the week, but for now, there will be 3 different prize draws. Again, none of this would be possible without everybody at home, and I cannot thank you enough. I know I do say it every single day, but I honestly can't. The family that we have made together is really like nothing else on YouTube. No one else has a community like what we have formed. It isn't my channel, it is our channel. And again, I cannot thank you all enough. So get your 7 guesses in the comment section below. There will be a reminder video going up throughout the week. So if you do think this one has been a little bit difficult, maybe come back later on in the week and give it another go. And just having any old guess is better than none at all. Best of luck then, everyone. Hopefully it isn't too difficult. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.